Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today we're at a place called Toroweap, and it's on day 2 of my side-by-side Bar 10 adventure. So we'll just kind of do a little rock hopping, and I'll show you around. The view out here is amazing. Weather's not what I would call perfect, but definitely it's not burning up and it's not snowing on us. Had quite a little bit of rain and a little bit of mud. There was snow yesterday, but it's already melted and went away. Having a great time in the car. Phenomenal. I am so impressed with the Can-Am X3 XRC. With the mods I've made with it and everything. I really can't believe how well the thing pulls the 35s. Just incredible, having a great time, plenty of power. On Eco, I'm getting a little over 108 miles. At 108 miles, I poured 8.1 gallons of gas this morning. So super pleased with that. There is some campsites out here. I guess you have to go online, but they're located just like right over here. And you can go online and do some booking, which I will. This is easy enough to get the adventure truck into. So you know, there's some little steps and stuff, rocks, but it's not too crazy. A relatively stock Toyota came out here. There is outhouses out here, which that's kind of a nice little addition. So we parked here and just did our lunch stop over here. And you know, as you're walking up, this doesn't look, you know, you're like, okay, it's kind of cool, kind of pretty. And as you continue to come over the edge, it goes from, oh, this is kind of cool, to phenomenal. I mean, just being out in this and getting to check things out is, once again, such a blessing. And my challenge is to anyone that's watching is to come check some stuff out and, you know, get out and explore, whether that's on your own 2 feet or mountain bike, bicycle, horse, side-by-side, Jeep. It's definitely neat to get out and explore some things. So yeah, you come over to the edge and then you start looking down and you realize that it's a 3,000 foot sheer drop. Kind of hard to get the magnitude on the camera, but wow, just super epic. Colorado River flowing. We're about 20 miles from our river view from Bar 10, but we've driven about I guess 43 to get here, so it takes a little bit. But this place, 2 thumbs up for me. Wow. And zoom this. So anyway, what's your thoughts? What do you guys have planned for your vacations coming up? Anyway, that's going to be it for now. I'm gonna leave that here and enjoy some of this magical view for the next little bit, and then be loading up. And I think we're heading back to Bar 10. We'll see what else we stop at and check out. Anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for putting up with me and checking out my videos. Hit like and subscribe if you would. And if you have any comments, questions, hit me up below and I'll do the best I can to answer those for you. So that's going to be it for now. I'm Tim Roble. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you here next time.